PreSonus offers many solutions to churches wanting to move outdoors for services and events. Our compact and portable rack mixers are not only perfect for outdoor events, but can easily be incorporated into a larger Series 3 mixer ecosystem. Lately, there has been a lot of heightened sense of maintaining a relatively germ-free environment. The Series 3 rack mixers allow remote control over a personally owned iPad, Android tablet, or laptop, greatly reducing the risk of spreading germs, bacteria, and viruses. Our free control software, UC Surface, offers a vast array of channel presets so that your volunteers can dial in a professionally sounding mix without the need to be a pro-level audio engineer. QMix UC allows band members to control their own aux mixes from an iOS or Android device, helping to ease your volunteers' mix burden. Not only are our rack mixers a cost-effective, easy-to-use option, they can be incorporated into a larger PreSonus Series 3 mixer ecosystem later as a stage box, monitor or broadcast mixer, an overflow room mixer, or even for more outdoor ministry events. They also give you the ability to multi-track and remix your services with Capture and Studio One Artist, both of which are included with your mixer purchase. The Air 10 is our most cost-effective PA speaker, and it can be used above a subwoofer as part of your main mix, but also as a floor wedge with onboard DSP for use in whatever application you choose. Our Air 15S subwoofer is our most compact and lightweight sub, and it mates perfectly with the Air 10. Once we are able to move to a more normal environment, your speakers can easily serve as mains for small ministry rooms, other outdoor events, or as wedges or fills for any application. As you can see, the Series 3 rack mixers and Air speakers are the perfect choice for any worship community, offering the very best in functionality, portability, ease of use, and expandability. It's just another way that PreSonus offers solutions for everyone, regardless of size or budget constraints. Contact your dealer for more information or to hear about other mixer and speaker system combinations.